people, this is a breaking news that happens in whatever they call Damnable Zoological Republic, where people have been subjugated to inhuman treatment, both finance, both security. These bankers trying to make their way out from the back end of the building, jumping from the fence. These are the whole bank staff from the Zenith Bank, and they are trying to escape from the public. Public is trying to turn uprising within their premises, and they fear that the public might injure them. So they started to make their way from the back exit of the bank building. You can see how the women are climbing the ladder from the fence and the jumping up. Very unfortunate. So this is Zenith Bank staffs, and they're really trying to make their way, and just escaping from the fence because of this shortage of Naira notes, which they did. This new Naira notes, they colored and what shall I say, painted, and there was a shortage of a new Naira note. Look at this heavy lady just trying to escape. What about if by accident she happens to miss her step now? That will cause a serious injury. But thank God for the gentlemen who tried to put their hands to support the lady to escape from the fence. So as you can see, there are many of their customers who are at the entrance trying to get access into their bank, by force to get their money. Look at that lady, she nearly missed her step. So there are a huge customers in front of their bank building now trying to gain access by force, trying to force themselves to get a Naira note to be able to buy things for their family and to do their business. But the new printed fabricated currency was seized by the government. So our leader Onyeduma Nnamdi have told them from the beginning, a prophet of God, anointed man of God, sitting down looking at them laughing, said, if you support Zoo, you will come to shame. Even men are now escaping after ladies have tried to make their way. Ladies first, as you can see. So men will be getting ready now to make escape from the building. So I think you have to see it by yourself and hear how they are making their way out from the building. And another one I will bring to you is the one that happened in Sterling Bank. I think the Sterling Bank own, someone said he came from Central Bank and trying to introduce himself in the bank and bringing some couple of notes to show the staffs that I don't know what he was saying. I was not interested. This country, if you talk of insecurity, the worst. If you talk about finance, it's worse. If you talk about school, it's worse. You talk about military and police, the war, president, everything. That's why our leader Onyeduma Nnamdi call it Damnable Zoological Republic, created by man and woman. I will leave it here for you now. If you have any comment, please drop at the comment section. This is Biafra Battle Cry TV. Thank you. So my people, we have seen it, how everything is going and how it went. The state banks are escaping from their back building, and because of their customer putting pressure on them on the shortage of currency, they want to withdraw to go out for their daily schedule or do their daily businesses and various places and feed their family. And there have been a shortage of currency, the new currency they did. So they're trying to force themselves into the bank, and the bankers, go afraid, trying to escape, So that's what it is. When someone harvests firewood that contains cricket, definitely lizard will come for him. Lizard will visit him. So this last video you saw here with Ghana must go back, sacks, with someone who says it's from Central Bank for investigation and stuff like that, how the banks in the zoo are sharing the new Naira banknotes, and whether he meant it or whether he don't mean it, or I don't know. So you can see there's no banknote in the Damnable Zoological Republic. It's a country that must be broke up this month of February 2023. Thank you for visiting, and thank you for watching. Make a comment. We'll be expecting your comments soon at the comment section. I appreciate your watching. Bye now for now.